Welcome to InvestoSphere, your home for smart income strategies and digital business ideas that actually work. In today's deep dive video, we're exploring a business model that's quietly creating six-figure incomes for everyday people, often without them ever showing their face online. I'm talking about local lead generation, a digital goldmine hiding in plain sight. Imagine building small websites or running local ad campaigns that generate real leads. Phone calls, emails, appointment requests for small businesses in your town or anywhere in the US. And here's the best part. Once it's set up and working, you can earn passive monthly income from every single lead or deal you help generate. This video is going to be your complete roadmap. Whether you're brand new to online business or looking for your next income stream, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to build, launch, and scale your own local lead generation business from scratch. So grab a notebook and let's get started. 1. What is local lead generation? Definition of local lead generation. How it works. Matching local demand with local service providers. Examples: roofers, dentists, lawyers, cleaners, contractors, etc. The business model: rank and rent, pay-per-lead, flat fee. Why local businesses are desperate for leads. 2. Why this business works so well. Local competition is often low. Small businesses don't know how to market themselves online. Google still dominates local search, Maps plus search. Leads convert better because they're warm and ready to buy recurring income. One client can pay you for years. 3. Picking a profitable local niche. How to choose the right industry. Best high-ticket niches: roofing, HVAC, tree removal, lawyers, cosmetic clinics. Low-hanging fruit: mobile mechanics, pet grooming, pressure washing, tutoring. What to avoid: low search volume, low urgency. Local versus national services: understanding the opportunity. 4. Local market research: using Google Maps, Yelp, and local directories. Search volume tools: Ubersuggest, keywords everywhere, SEMrush. How to analyze competition. What to look for in a profitable city or zip code. Spotting underserved markets and high search intent. 5. Building simple local websites. Basic setup: domain, hosting, WordPress, or page builders. Structure of a lead gen site: home, about, services, contact. Using templates for speed. Mobile optimization is critical. Tracking tools: CallRail, Google Analytics, heat maps. 6. Ranking on Google. Basics of local SEO. On-page SEO, titles, H1S, meta descriptions, keyword use. Off-page SEO, local citations, backlinks, reviews. Google business profile setup and optimization. Embedding maps, using location-based content. 7. Running local ads. Using Google Ads to drive quick traffic. Setting up call-only ads. Facebook ads for local leads. Budgeting and ROI tracking. A/B testing at copy and images. 8. Getting clients and closing deals. Cold email scripts and outreach tactics. How to get your first client fast. What to say on client calls. Pricing models: rent, per lead, or commission. Using trial periods to win trust. 9. Automating lead delivery and scaling. Forwarding calls, setting up forms, Zapier automations. Using a CRM or simple spreadsheets. Scaling to more cities and niches. Hiring VAs to handle outreach, content, and SEO. Building a portfolio of passive local lead assets. 10. Monetization models in detail. Rank and rent, pros and cons. Pay-per-lead, how to set your pricing. Hybrid model, combining rent plus lead count. Revenue sharing for big-ticket services. Creating recurring income contracts. 11. Real case studies and examples. Case: how one lead gen site made $1,500 a month from junk removal. Case: scaling to 15 cities with pressure washing sites. Case: lead gen for law firms bringing in $5,000 plus a month. Case: starting with just $100 and turning it into $2,000 a month. 12. Mistakes to avoid. Going after oversaturated niches. Ignoring follow-up systems. underpricing your leads or service, skipping SEO and relying only on paid ads, not tracking results and conversion data. 13. Long-term strategy and exit plans, building digital real estate with resale value, creating your own local agency or lead gen brand, partnering with franchises for recurring contracts, packaging sites for sale on Flippa or Empire Flippers, earning while traveling or working part-time. You've just unlocked one of the most powerful business models in the digital space. Local lead generation is not just another side hustle. It's a real business that provides value to real people. With the right mindset and execution, you can create an income stream that grows month after month with no ceiling. So what are you waiting for? Start researching your niche. Build your first local site. Begin testing lead sources and pitching local businesses. And now I want to hear from you. What niche are you most interested in building a lead gen site around? Which cities or areas do you think are untapped markets? What would an extra $2,000 per month do for your lifestyle right now? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I read everyone. If you found this video valuable, hit that like button. Subscribe to InvestoSphere for more income building strategies. Comment your lead gen niche or question below. Thanks for spending your time with us. Now go build your income empire. See you in the next video on InvestoSphere.